y'all, Marissa here with the No Boss Life channel, the person bringing you closer and closer each day to breaking you out of the rat race. Before I get into this video, I want to give a huge shout out to one of my teammates on the No Limit System, Mark Dobby. Okay, got his first $100 sale like yesterday. Super excited. He posted it in my private Facebook mastermind group, and I felt like I had literally just gotten my first sale. He's just somebody who's just remaining positive, and he's just kept working. So congrats, Mark. And for any of you guys procrastinating on joining the No Limit System, you better hurry up. I don't know what else to tell you. I want to show you where Mark is headed, okay? And many of you who haven't joined yet, but I can tell you're serious, and when you do join, you're going to put in the work and you're going to get results. So here's what I want to show you this here. I want you to look at each day this past week that I have gotten an actual payment sent to my Chase bank account. Today on Wednesday, I actually got deposited, okay, $676. Tomorrow I'm getting deposited $500. Guys, I want to let you know, anytime I show income proof, it's never to brag, because trust me, there's a lot more people making way more money than me, and I'm trying to surround myself with people that literally laugh at the income I make online, like seriously. But I do want people to see my progress. There are many of you watching that have jobs, right? You get paid once a week, or maybe some of you get paid bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks you get a check. And it's so hard sometimes to live life when you're getting paid once a week or once every 2 weeks. If you've got a great high-paying job, then, people make it work. But you know what's interesting is that I've been getting more people kind of attracted to what I'm doing that have high-paying jobs. They have huge checks, but I guess they're tired of putting in so much time to working for somebody else. With financial responsibilities hitting you month after month, right on time, I just remember when I had a job and getting a check every week, it was just so hard to try to get ahead in life, because it's like after everything got eaten up on my check, bills and responsibilities, you have very little left over. It's hard to try to live a great financial life where you're budgeting, you're saving, that whole plan. Everybody says, try to save as much money as you can. It's kind of hard to do that, when you're getting paid once a week. And I remember I just got tired of that. And maybe you're tired of that as well. And so I was like, you know what? I know I can end up living a life where I'm smart with my money. I'm able to budget and save and things like that. But I got to do this quicker. I got to be able to make a lot of money. I got to be able to get paychecks every single day sent to me. And that's exactly what's happening. If you're somebody that is struggling, you're getting one check a week because you have a job and that's all you're getting, and you're like trying to find yourself, but you can't, it's hard to move up in the company, like to get a raise and things like that, then that means you need to get with something that gives you the ability to get paid literally every single day. There's nothing else that's going to do that for you unless you're in a business. Sorry, that's just the way it is. There are certain, or you get a sales job. That'd be the only other thing I can think of. Like a typical 9-to-5 job isn't going to give you that ability to do that. Which brings me to the No Limit System. If some of you don't have a lot of money to invest in a business, but you're looking for the benefits of what a business can do for you once it's rolling, I highly recommend you get into some sort of affiliate marketing program, okay? I'm with the No Limit System. It's a direct sales opportunity where you get paid 100% commissions that get paid out instantly to you via PayPal or Stripe. Affiliate marketing, you've heard me say it before, is just you being able to make money by selling on people's products or services. There's a link in my video description below you can click on to stop procrastinating if you have and get with the program. This channel I made is about the No Boss Life. It's documenting my journey, and also if I can help other people, if they want to live the No Boss Life. There are some people that don't mind having a job, and if that's you, then, this isn't gonna, I don't even know, first of all, I don't know why you're watching this video. It's mainly to help people who are wanting to get out of the rat race to actually do that, and I'm just showing you what I do. You can follow it or not. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to high places, and that's not me trying to be cocky or trying to think, but I just am telling you where I'm headed, and I want as many people to be with me when that happens or as that's happening for the rest of my life. I believe I'm going to meet lifelong friends and partners doing this. It's just crazy. So enough of me blabbing. If you are serious about being able to get paid every day instead of having to wait for somebody to hand you a check every week after you've really busted your tail to make them a little bit richer. Click that link below if you're ready to change that about that part of your financial life. There's full training provided with the No Limit system. Get extra coaching and support from me, and I look forward to working with you. But get excited because this is something that can literally shift your financial future if you take it seriously. So anyways, that's it. Talk to you guys later. Sign up if you are ready, and you'll be hearing from me soon.